In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to treat suspicious pop-ups that come from the long website with the name Boot-upadvancedintenselytheproduct.vip. Indeed, it's a long name of the website. The website claims to be some Chrome update alert. It says that you need to update your Chrome browser extension. But in reality, this pop-up is absolutely faulty and deceptive. There is no need for you to update your Google Chrome or anything else. These pop-ups are dangerous because their mission is to hijack your browser settings. If you install this so-called update, this browser extension, your browser settings may be changed and hijacked. For instance, your default search engine may be changed to something really unfamiliar. I'm going to install this extension on purpose in order to let you know how to get rid of it later on, after it was installed by mistake. The point is that the internet is full of such suspicious pages claiming to be some browser update notifications, and if you start interacting with these fake alerts, if you install any extensions like that, as I said, a lot of settings may be changed, and when you submit some search queries, you might get the results by some other fake search engines. So what you should do, of course, is to disregard all such fake notifications. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then, if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. This should be sufficient enough to fix your browser. However, I also recommend researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.